Sometimes when you are working in 3DCoat, you may navigate around your model and decide that you want to quickly get back to the view that you were in. One way to do that is using camera shortcuts. To do that, simply hit the Control up arrow hotkey combination. And I can see at the bottom 3DCoat's telling me that it has stored that. Let's navigate to another position and store yet another camera shortcut. Once more, let's hold down the Control key and hit the up arrow. We now have a second camera shortcut. To navigate between them, I can hold down the Control key and hit the left arrow key or the right arrow key. However, what I really want to focus on in this video is using the Undo Navigation widget, which is located directly to the left of the Viewport Navigation gizmo in the lower right portion of the screen. This is like having an undo just for viewport navigation, so you can quickly get back to your previous view and you can continue doing this an indefinite number of times. You can also assign a hotkey to it by hovering over the widget and hitting the End key on your keyboard to make a hotkey assignment. And that's going to conclude this look at using the Viewport Navigation Undo feature in 3DCoat, as well as the ability to store camera shortcuts. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.